On January 20, 1949, Junagadh was merged into Saurashtra state. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel created Saurashtra state by merging 22 princely states of Saurashtra. It was formed by combining more than 200 small and big princely states of Western Bharat. The capital of Saurashtra state was Rajkot. Subsequently, Saurashtra state ceased to exist as a separate state on November 1, 1956 and was incorporated as part of Bombay state. The territory of Bombay state was expanded to include areas of Saurashtra state, Kutch state, Marathwada and Vidarbha. On May 1, 1960, Bombay state was dissolved and divided into two separate states, Gujarat and Maharashtra, formed on a linguistic basis. Saurashtra state eventually became a geographical region in the state of Gujarat. The region of Saurashtra, including Junagadh, is currently part of the state of Gujarat. When Bharat became independent on August 15, 1947, the merger issue of three princely states was complicated: Junagadh, Kashmir and Hyderabad. Due to Sardar Patel's efforts, Bharat took control of Junagadh on November 9, 1947. On January 20, 1957, Bharat and Asia's first nuclear reactor, Apsara, was inaugurated. This reactor was built in the Trombay complex of the Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Mumbai. Its outline and design were prepared by Bhabha and his associate engineers and scientists. Homi Jahangir Bhabha is considered the father of the Bharatiya nuclear program. Apsara was a light water swimming pool type reactor that produced 1 megawatt thermal electricity at a time. Energy was produced by burning plates made of aluminium and uranium alloy in the reactor furnace. Special fuel from Britain was used in it. It was closed in 2010, after which the operation of its upgraded reactor, Apsara, started on September 10, 2018. Currently, 22 nuclear power reactors are operating in the country. Arunachal Pradesh was formed as a union territory on January 20, 1972. At that time, Arunachal Pradesh was known as the North-East Frontier Agency, NEFA. Later, on February 20, 1987, it obtained full state status. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state among the other northeastern states of Bharat, sharing international borders with Bhutan in the west, China in the north and northeast. The state's vast area covers 25 districts as well as diverse tribes, dialects, languages, rich wildlife, customs and traditions. On January 20, 1825, tribal freedom fighter Immortal Martyr Gain Singh was hanged. Gain Singh is considered the first freedom fighter of Chhattisgarh. The landlord of the Bastar princely state, Gain Singh, rebelled against the British in 1824 to 1825 for the independence of Bastar, protesting against new taxes. Gain Singh united the tribes and sounded the bulge of rebellion. On January 4, 1825, forest dwellers gathered at Wheel Paralkot, armed with traditional weapons. Gain Singh inspired everyone to revolt in their respective areas. Consequently, the whole of Bastar went up in flames. Gain Singh was hanged by the British in front of Patalkot Palace on January 20, 1825. His sacrifice is an example of the struggle for the liberation of Bastar against exploitation and atrocities. On January 20, 1945, Bharat's James Bond, Ajit Doval, was born in Uttarakhand. Presently, Ajit Doval is the National Security Advisor of the country. Ajit Doval became an IPS officer in 1968, got the Kerala cadre, spent 7 years in the police department and successfully carried out many operations while serving in IB and RAW. From espionage during Blue Star operation to surgical strikes against Pakistan, Ajit Doval has performed every responsibility very well. Ajit Doval's personality is such that even Pakistan and China are afraid of him. While being an IPS officer, Ajit Doval was awarded the Kirti Chakra, the first military-level honor for a police officer. On January 20, 2009, Barack Obama became the 44th and the first black president of America, marking a historic moment as the first African American to hold this position. Obama served 2 consecutive terms as the US president, assuming office at the age of 47 in 2009. Born in Hawaii in 1961, Obama's presidency garnered global recognition and he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize just 9 months after taking office. Notably, during Obama's first term, The infamous terrorist Osama bin Laden, responsible for the attack on America's World Trade Center, was successfully eliminated in May 2011.